Hey guys, this is Jeremy with Wheeler LLC. I wanted to show you a room addition that we did out in Galena. So I'm going to flip the camera and show you. So you can tell this is the original house, and that's where the room addition is. And this thing came out beautiful. Got the sidewalk leading up to it. So this is all this back here is the addition. So there ended up being 3 different sections. Got a closet, and it's where they wanted a washroom, and had that put in. And we have a bathroom, which came out really beautiful, really nice. Double sink, toilet. We have a shower. And all this, you can actually go back and look at the video I did when this was about half finished, but this is heated flooring back here. So I actually had it set up to have the heated, and did the flooring in here as well as some painting. And you can go back and see the earlier video where we did the kitchen, but today just wanted you to see the room addition. So this is from the other side. Did some concrete work and redid these posts. So this is it. She came out beautiful. Got air conditioning unit. This is from the back. So this is, we love doing room additions. Again, this is Jeremy with Wheeler LLC, and we love doing room additions, basement remodels, kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels. That's kind of our specialty. So need a room addition? We're in the Columbus area. We'd be happy to help you out. Give us a call, reach out on our website, fill out the form, and we'd be glad to help you out with that, whatever your needs are on your house. All right, take care.